Hello guys, how are you doing today? I'm sure you have seen with the highlights what we're going to do today. So stay with the video. These are some of the highlights what we done in this trip. We tried this zip line which was quite interesting in Pakistan. We'll go through all the details. Where did we go? Where is this located? What food we ate and what part of the area that we explored in Skardu. So these are some of the highlights. I tried this zipline experience that was quite new for me. I never tried this before in Pakistan. I didn't know how safe is that, but at the same time it was quite adventurous. So stay in the video. We'll go through all the details in the video itself. So we arrived in the hotel. From the hotel, we first went to this place called Upper Kachora Lake. That's located in top of the hill of the mountains. It's very close to this Shangri-La Skardu, and you can see how wonderful these scenes are. They have this nice little tables, and they got nice water river that is flowing around, really nice. You just sit by. It's not hot or it's not cold, it's just that the water itself is really cold. You cannot really keep your feet inside for a longer period of time, but it was really nice experience, just to sit down and just dip your water, your feet in the water. It was quite cold. You can just dip it and pull it out. I just thoroughly enjoyed. So we stayed there and had a bit of tea and just unwind ourselves. And then after that, we ordered some food from there. So they had this locally, organically made. This not made like they really catch it from the river, and they have their own farms as well. They have this fresh trout fish that they really grill it for you, or you can get it done with the deep fried. So we sat there, enjoyed our time a little bit in this part of this upper Kachura, and then we just ordered some trout fish, and that was really nice and delicious. It came out really nice. I mean, again, don't expect so much facilities, so much of this luxury and everything. All it is really simple, straightforward. They got this chapatis on the side. They don't have any fresh bread or anything, but again, just see where you are seated and enjoying with this beautiful view. The fish was really fresh and it was really nice. I thoroughly enjoyed. So we stayed there for some time. After that, we were just coming down and looking at the spectacular views. There's over some waterfalls, and you can just keep looking at it. It looks like a handmade paintings. Really beautiful. The zipline experience for me was quite unique, actually. I tried last time was in Georgia. That was over the land. Yeah, it was over the garden, but this time it was over the water, over the lake itself. We'll go through it. It was quite nice experience. You cannot really access it by the land, but you have to take the boat from one part and then just go to that specific area where they have this zip line on top of the hill. And it was quite difficult for me because you have to climb up. There are quite a lot of stairs. For them, for the locals, it was quite easy, but for me, I really got tired. Yeah. So this was our arrival, that we arrived in this upper Kachura lake where this zip line is located. So we just had to park our car and just walk down a little bit. So this is the lake that you see in the front. You have to go down from the stairs all the way to take the boat, and then go to another part of this, just to get the zip line from there. Going down was quite easier, but coming back, I tell you, it is one of the hardest thing you can do if you're not used to of hiking, and especially if you're not kind of into workout or running or everything. So the boat rental was straightforward. They take you through the tour of this beautiful lake, and then they take you on the other side if you want to do the zip line experience as well. So we sat on the boat. It was nice. It's also a speed boat. They have different boat selection. You can choose either the slower one or the medium one or the fastest one. So I took this fastest one. It was actually quite over fast. Then it gets you drop in this edge of this, where you have to really walk about, where they have all their office for this zip line. There are not a lot of people because it's a very remote area. You have to take the boat first and then come over all the way to this place, and it's quite a hike. वो पहले वैसे गया चेक करने के लिए गया नहीं वो नहीं करनी उधर एक और है ठीक है सर चले so I'm pretty ready let's see go all the way from there and then come down all the way over there. Let's see how it turns out. Chale sir. He's fully ready. So let's see. Sir, it's the plan.
सर लैंडिंग पे पहुंच गया तो आप मोबाइल काउंटर पर करके
ठीक है ठीक है
यहाँ से आपने नीचे नहीं पकड़
ठीक होगा
और इधर से फिर अपना हाथ डिस्प्ले कर
ठीक होगा ठीक है सर
रेडी है सर
रेडी सर एक मिनट चलें सर
ठीक है सर
ठीक होगा थैंक यू So this was the fun part, you know, it literally come down hard, but overall, to be honest, doing this zip line over the water was a first time experience for me, and the scenes and the views and the adventure itself was quite nice. I really thoroughly enjoyed. So next time when you're in Skardu, please don't forget, give it a try. It's a newly built zip line, you know. I'm quite happy that they have all this little bit of attractions where you can attract tourists and come over and try this adventurous trip. The guys are really nice, they are really helpful, they check on your safety, and you thoroughly have the view of all this beautiful lake from the top. It was nice fun day, adventurous day over Upper Kachora Lake. Next time you are there, please give it a try, and let me know how do you like it. So far I enjoyed it, and this was my time over on the Kachura Lake and the zip line. And then we came back with the same speedboat who took us there. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It was really nice. Until we meet next time, take care and Allah Hafiz.